Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make railway. Let's start our tutorial. Delete the original cube, go to Add menu and from Curve add Path. Change the mode to Edit mode. Press G then Y and move the path downward. Go to Add Modifier and from Generate add Mirror Modifier. Deactivate X and activate Y. Change the viewport to Y. Select the last vertex, and press E then Z and extrude the path in Z direction. Press G then X and move the vertex in X direction. Repeat this step many times. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Add menu and from Mesh add a plane. Go to Object menu and scroll down and from Convert select Curve. Press G then Y and move the plane outside the path. Select the path and go Object Data Properties. Select Geometry. Then change Bavette to Object and at Object select the plane. Select the plane again and scale it down by pressing S then Y and S then X. Select the path and check the Fill Caps option. Right-click and select Shade Flat. Go to the Viewport Shading and check Cavity. Go to Add menu and from Mesh add Cube. Change the cube size and shape by pressing S then Z and S then X. Press Ctrl A and select Scale Transform. While selecting the cube, go to Add Modifier and from Generate add Array Legacy. Change the count to 1, and change the X factor to 3. Change the Fit type to Fit Curve. And at Curve select the path. Go to Deform Modifier and add Curve Modifier, and at Curve Object select the path again. Go to the top view and then press G then Y and G then X to adjust the position of the cube. Select the path, then go to Edit mode. Press E then X to extrude the railway as you want. And that is it.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.